How to subtract a date from today in Excel. To subtract a date from today's date in Excel, you can use the today function, which returns the current date. You can either subtract the date in another cell from the today function, or enter the date using the date, year, month, day function and subtract it from the today function. The result will be the number of days between the two dates. If the date you are subtracting is greater than today's date, you can use the ABS function to get the absolute value of the difference. For example, if you have a list of dates in column A and you want to subtract them from today's date, you can use this formula in column B, equals ABS, today, A2, this will give you the number of days between today and the date in A2, regardless of whether the date is in the past or future. You can copy and paste this formula to other cells in column B. Note, you may need to format the cells with the formula as numbers instead of dates. To do this, select the cells, press Ctrl+1, and choose number from the category list. Question: what does the ABS function in Excel do? The ABS function in Excel is a mathematical function that stands for absolute value. It is used to calculate the absolute value of a number, which means it returns the positive value of any given number, disregarding its sign. The syntax for the ABS function in Excel is as follows: ABS, number, the number argument represents the value for which you want to calculate the absolute value. This argument can be a cell reference, a numerical value, or a formula that evaluates to a number. The ABS function will return a positive value, regardless of whether the original number is positive or negative. For example, equals ABS, minus 5, / returns 5 equals ABS, 10, / returns 10 equals ABS, A1, / returns the absolute value of the value in cell A1. The ABS function is commonly used in various scenarios, such as calculating the difference between two numbers without considering their signs, finding the magnitude of a deviation, or when you want to ensure that only positive values are used in a calculation.